Hello dear viewers, welcome for today's tutorial. Today we are learning something about phrase searching as one of our components of information literacy and what we call the search strategy. We have looked at different other aspects. For example, we looked at the Boolean operators, we looked at the wildcards, and today I feel that we should look at what we call the phrase searching. Okay, so phrase searching in search strategy. My simple message for you here is refining your search for better results. So meaning if you use this phrase searching technique, you are going to be able to refine your search for better results. So a brief question for you here is this: why should you use phrase searching, and what is a phrase searching? Okay, so we find out that phrase searching is something which is very important. Okay, so let's start by its definition. What is this thing called phrase searching? So the answer is very simple. We say phrase searching is a search technique that allows you to find exact words in a specific order by enclosing them in quotation marks. So this definition alone has finished everything about a phrase searching. You find that it allows you to find exact words, meaning what exact words do I put there? Let's say I put environmental change. Okay, yes, exact words in a specific order, environmental change. So meaning the order is environmental first, and then change follows. That is the specific order we are talking about, and by enclosing them in quotation marks. The quotation marks, when you put them in quotation marks, then definitely we shall be doing what we call phrase searching. So why should we use it? Why should we use this phrase searching technique? One, it narrows results. It limits search for exact phrases, meaning if I put this word, let's say I put environmental changes, meaning, and I put in quotation marks, I'm doing phrase searching also. Yes, now it is going to narrow my results in a way that the word that I put in quotation will appear exactly like that in my searches. So meaning searches that do not have words in that order will not appear. Okay, that is what we say. It limits search to exact phrases, meaning it's going to limit your search according to what you ask the search engine to do for you. Then the second one, it finds relevant information. It will help you to locate precise documents, meaning you just go direct. Okay, you just go direct to the point in which you want, and it will not be giving you options here and there. In a way, it's in a way that you are trying to tell your search engine that this is what I want, give it to me in this order. Okay, by using what we call phrase searching. So it also avoids irrelevant matches. It will filter out unrelated content, because there's a lot of things online, and these things of information literacy, the search strategy, it deals with searching things online, how we get information online. This is one way of really getting what we really want within the shortest time possible, phrase searching. So let's continue. We're going to look at how to perform phrase searching. How do we perform this phrase searching? One, enclose your phrases in quotation mark. Okay, so meaning you put that specific word you want it to appear in that order, then you put it in the quotation marks. Okay, so that it doesn't disturb you. Let's look at these examples. We have climate change. Have you seen it has been put in the quotation marks there? So this is going to find for you results where these two words appear together. Okay, yes, so that is really how such strategy, phrase searching really helps you. So we have machine learning techniques. You see that? So meaning it will only show for you results with this exact phrase, machine learning techniques. Like for example, you go to Google Scholar and you try typing this, okay, machine learning techniques. It's going to give you results only containing these exact words in this order, so long as you put it in and the quotation marks. So use phrase searching when looking for specific terms or official titles, okay. Yeah, don't use it just anyhow, because you may end up missing important information. Just use it for specific things, like specific terms that you're looking for. Like maybe there are some keywords you want to get the definition. Yeah, then official titles also, these titles which are being recognized. Yes, yeah. So that is really how phrase searching is very important, and how you can use it. So let's look at when to use the phrase searching. When do we need to use it? One, for specific phrases, okay. Yes, as we said, we don't use it anyhow, we use it for specific phrases. That is the first option. And under here we're going to see that we can use it for finding scientific terms like genetic engineering. Now when you put genetic engineering, it's going to bring for you every content about genetic engineering, and you are going to really get your search according to that term, or in relation to that term, I mean. Then we have historical events, for example, World War II. Meaning, if you want to find information on World War II, just type World War II, put it in quotation marks, and then you search for it using your search engine, what your the platform you are using for searching. Then you get all the relevant information. Then we remember previously we said that we should use it for specific titles also, official titles. Yeah, so here we're going to also use it for exact titles. Okay, now what titles do we talk about? We can talk about book titles, okay, like this book, To Kill a the Mockingbird, I mean, yeah, To Kill a Mockingbird. So you see that here, this is the title of a book. So meaning when you type it, it's going to bring for you, okay, that book. Then article titles, impact on globalization. So these are articles that you want to get. Maybe you are doing a research, you want articles on impact on globalization, you just put that and you get it. Then you can also use it for names, to get people, okay. You can use for getting people like who have records in the scientific field. You can use it. Yeah, those great philosophers and all other things. Like now you can see you have Albert Einstein here. Yes, you can type it and it's going to bring for you all the things that this man has done during his lifetime and his profession, all those things there. Then United Nations, you can also type it and you find the origin of the United Nations, everything, its current objectives, or you find it there. So that is really how phrase searching is very vital for us. Let's look at the benefits. Okay, how do you benefit out of this phrase searching? What benefits do you get? We have one, increased accuracy. Okay, it retrieves exact matches. We have seen how we should input our words. So you find that when you use that way that I've told you, you'll be able to get increased accuracy in your work, and you really retrieve the exact thing that you want. Then efficiency, it reduces time by reducing irrelevant results. Yes, now you want something about United Nations, now for you are going to you're just suffering to put things in words. Why don't you just use the phrase searching, and then you just put United Nations and you get your things there, and all its branches, you just get it there. So it's also very precise. It focuses on specific topics. When you're talking about climate change, it brings you things about climate change. It will not bring things about industrialization, which is not necessary, that aspect. Yeah, so those are the benefits we really get from phrase searching. Then let's also look at the challenges. The challenges that we face of using phrase searching. One, missed variations. Yeah, It may exclude useful results with slight wording changes. So at times there, like for example, we were talking about things to do with like globalization. Now for you, you have entered a word, the globalization, with S instead of with Z. You find that the one with Z might have the information that you need than the one with the S. It depends on the articles, how the articles are written. So for phrase searching, it is going to get for you at the things that you'll get on that globalization with S instead of getting for you also those ones with Z. So those are the challenges that one may face using phrase searching. Then spelling sensitivity. It requires correct spelling for accurate results. The moment you enter a wrong spelling, you're not going to get accurate results, especially now when it comes to putting book titles, article titles, names, you see that. Yeah, so like instead of like maybe you want to put something, you want to get something on Uganda, but now instead of writing Uganda, you put Buganda. So meaning information that you want to get on Uganda, you will not get, you get information on Buganda. So that is it, how it really works, and those are the challenges that people face. Then database differences. Not all search engines use the same method. Now for you may just go there with your quotation marks, the double quotation marks, yet other search engines uses the single ones, or you use the double, others use single. So for you, just go there and put maybe the double, and you will not get the results that you want. So meaning you have to know this, the search engine you are using and what it accepts. You have to know it so that you can really get very many important things. Let's look at the next thing, that is combining phrase searching with other techniques. So how do you combine this phrase searching with the Boolean operators, with the wildcards and truncations? That's what we are looking at. So with Boolean operators, we said that climate change. Have you seen that? Yes, climate change. You put it into quotations. So meaning that is you are using phrase searching. Now you have added a Boolean operator, and have you seen renewable energy? Meaning it's going to get for you your search in that exact form. Meaning searches that have climate change in that order and renewable energy in that order is what you're going to get. So with the truncation, so example here is genetic engineer. You add a truncation, then it will find for you genetic engineering or genetic engineered, something that has a possible ending of that word engineer. Okay, yes. So that is how it works with truncations. Then let's look with the field searching. Example, a title here is a machine learning minus limits. You have machine learning which limits search to titles. Okay, yes. So meaning that machine learning there, if you are using it, like at least it's going to bring for you more of titles than the exact. Maybe what it can bring you is it will bring you something about the definition of machine learning, and the rest may be titles. Yes, so that is how it also works. Then let's look at the summary of everything that we have learned about phrase searching. So here we say phrase searching. One, it uses quotation marks for exact matches. That is the first thing and the key thing about it. Then the second thing, when to use it for specific terms, titles and names. These are things that we have looked at it. Now you have to be very mindful here. Watch for spelling issues and search engine differences, so that you're able to solve the challenges that you face when using the phrase searching technique. So the simple information that I can give you here is refine your search, master phrase searching today. So meaning for you to be able to refine your search, you have to master phrase searching today. So that is where we are going to stop for now. I really appreciate you following this channel. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. My name still remains Amos. Bye bye. Catch up in the next video. Thank you so much.